السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ولا لقن أتكد كوش على سوري وضع أيدين لي دمانتينا ميل والباتون كجبتان. Today وحن ربعينا نكهلو a very special book that has a very important and beautiful message to all of us. أو هويين هدانا هاي إيو أبوين كنفتر كودي هداد أبتهاي هداد رجيني سينا أبن قطين بسوهيا نقطيت انتبه وحاوي وحنا عنفعي مفهمتين مركا. I would emphasize on for you to purchase the book. It's called The Silent Veil, A Mother's Story. مركا number كات كهيل كرتان هل كان أيضا كسقرا إن شاء الله. مركا وحاوي هرت this book. I want to talk about this particular book. وحنا كهل يا وحاوي. It simply talks about gratitude. It emphasizes on the message that says Alhamdulillah ala kulli hal. Even though we know motherhood is a beautiful journey. How I inti ilma haysta allow this to ayan lay hay inta rajayni sana ina ilma dalan how I ilahay ku arzaqo arur salihin inshallah damantina. So it's a special book whereby it teaches simply gratitude, the journey of motherhood, postpartum depression. Subhanallah. Horta I want to talk about postpartum depression. Postpartum depression ka had horta dan Somali na hay misadi Muslim no bada hay. We don't believe, or typically actually I think all Africans are the same. We don't believe in depression because someone who's going through depression is someone who has little to no iman. Marka subhanallah, and that is not, basically that's not true, because most of us most of us we are told that depression محالدها and محاد iman kama kuwir qof muslina depression mukuda. Subhanallah, depression is real, depression is there. Mid udarno postpartum depression is really hard. وحنا أولياء هذا عابت هاي أخرسه وحاويان وحن روا إناد أوغاتيد what your partner is going through. She needs help. You can help her out. It's not a must in hadith. Nina ahay, you know, we dig bhaisal hay, but you don't care. And the time she's delivering when adiga marka aadan joogin mise xaalad kale ku hayso oo markaas aadan joogin is fine, but if you're available on at imanin bas because waxaas waa arin naageed ma qosayso. والله وأرين آدي أتلونها مركا إن شاء الله بوغان على خريستو. And it's also talking about maternal محالدها mortality. And as we know أنا هانتين at African countries the mortality rate is very high. And والله واحلو فرحة معهن مركا عادي نوديش تنو كلام it's very high. مركا these other countries are did also same case. And sometimes why? Simply because she's going through depression. And it is important. This book also teaches us about the importance of family and friends being around you that particular moment. I know sometimes when you're going through postpartum depression, even though you have people around you, you have friends, you have family, you have your partner next to you, but subhanallah, there is part of you just feels alone. It's like you're in this all alone, and it's okay to feel that way. As I always say, it's okay not to be okay, but it's not okay to stay that way. If we realize that we need help, if we realize we need help, we should act upon it. We should talk to our partners, talk to our family, or talk to a friend. And we get the proper help. If it's therapy, is not bad. Therapy if you've reached a stage whereby you need a therapy, mashallah, go for it. I am urging you to go for it. It really helps, and it's talked about and it's emphasized also in this book. That's why if you can purchase it, please do. It's a must read. And then the good thing if you don't like reading that much, the pages marka ma ahan page badan or book has a lot of volume. It only has like 92 pages from start till the end. Marka mashallah, and has a lot of beautiful messages from other mothers also. And yeah, it's a must read. I don't know if you're going through postpartum depression, this book is a must read for you. It encourages you, it helps you go through it, because it tells you it's going to be okay. There's light at the end of the tunnel, inshallah. And postpartum depression, it's not something, it's not taboo, it's something that we all go through. And if we can get help, let us all get help. If you have that family member you can talk to, please talk to. If you're comfortable talking to your partner, you can talk to your partner also, mashallah. And yeah, what on interest, it has a lot of beautiful stories, it has awareness also inside here. Okay, it's a must read. For inquiries and any inquiries about the delivery, how to get the book and all that, halka baan idinku soo qoraya numberka waad ka helisan. Marka let us purchase hada horta hooyo tahay. Let us learn how to read. As I told you, pageyaasha waa yaryaryihiin, it's only 92 pages oo hal maalin aad akhrisan kartid inta ilmaha iskuulka u xiran yahay, inta ilmaha dugsi ka maqan mise inta ka hurdaa mise habeenkii intaad 1 or 2 me time kaada haysatid, you can take this and you read, inshallah. Marka let us all encourage each other. Waxaa hooyo wanaagsan inaan nahay ay soo sheegno mar waliba, and we are enough. Okay, I know sometimes we think about, we say, are we not enough? Are we doing something wrong? What are we doing wrong? Marka wallahi, alhamdulillah, we are doing our level best. That's what I can say. You are enough for your child. To your child, you are a hero. And for us to create a healthy environment for our children, for them to grow, for us not to pour our past traumas to them, we need to first accept that we are going through something. We need to first stop the denial. We need to get help if possible. And if maybe talking about it or writing about it will help you, please do so, because you're always enough. And we need a healthy mom, we need a healthy you, so as to create a better future tomorrow. And the future comes from us. So for it to come from us, we need to be ready, and we need to basically heal from within. So let us all heal together, inshallah. And I will be sharing with you if I get more beautiful books to read, but this is the first one I'm sharing today, and it's a beautiful book. I've read it and I've loved it, and it has encouraged me, and it has given me a lot of beautiful memories, wallahi, and also sad ones, but alhamdulillah. So anyway, please do purchase, and yeah, you can reach out to the number I'm giving you is the author herself, so you get to interact with the author herself, ask her a bit of questions, and that you guys can relate, or maybe advice, inshallah. And yeah, and you can purchase the book, inshallah. Marka intaas idinku dhaafaya. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.